Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to cancel a meeting for everyone on Google Calendar web application. So the first thing that you will need to do is to open your internet browser or your browser, and then you will search for Google. And if you're already using Google Chrome, you will find your profile picture here, and then you can go to your Google account, or you can search like here the Google account, and you can search for your apps and you will find the calendar. Otherwise, if you are using other browsers, you can just go for Google and search for Google, either the Gmail or any Google app, and by that you will find here your Google account. After you connect to it, of course, you will need to connect to your Google account so you can access to the Google Calendar. You click on the Google Apps, this icon, and then click on Calendar, and now you have the access of Google Calendar. And now all you remains is to follow these simple steps. So the first thing that you will need to do is to create a meeting. So I'm just going to create an event, add the meeting, add other guests so we can cancel it for everyone. So I'm going just to add one guest here and click on save. I'm not sending an invitation. And basically, to cancel the meeting, all you need to do is to delete the event, and the meeting will be cancelled for everyone. All you need to do is to click on delete event, and as you can see, would you like to send a cancellation email to Google Calendar guests? And I'm not sending, but you can send if you want. And by that, all or the meeting will be cancelled for all the guests of this meeting, and I'm just going to click on send, and by that we have just deleted the event and canceled the meeting for everyone. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.